Hi everyone, this is our video. We are Soar Arias, Johaimar Barrios and me, Rafael Castillo. The title of our project is Lack of Artificial Devices at the FASE in the University of Carabobo. You're gonna watch our survey that is based on the best answers of all questions asked.
Do you need audiovisual devices for learning any content?
I don't think I need them, but I believe that they would make it easier for me to understand whatever content I'm actually attending.
Do you consider that audiovisual devices are important in our classroom and why?
Yes, I do because it's necessary to learn using pictures and some videos to learn this language. Just
Okay, and have you ever had classes where the professor used audiovisual devices?
yes, I have. Some professors usually use audiovisual devices to teach some contents and just.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you think this faculty has enough audiovisual devices?
No, I don't. I think this faculty needs more audiovisual devices.
What kind of audiovisual devices do you consider are necessary to have in a classroom?
Well, I think that mostly that it's important to have a TV for any kind of recording to watch, or maybe a video game to see any diapositive or presentations. I think those are the most important. Yet I don't know many of them, so I'm not really sure.
Do you think students are responsible for the lack of audiovisual devices in classrooms? Why?
I believe the responsibility lies on both sides, meaning students and the university. Because in the end, the audiovisual devices are ours and we've got to take care of them. Thing is that many of the students, they don't care about the things that they've got, so maybe because the university is giving it to us, so they just don't care and they just don't take care of them. Even, sometimes they steal them. So I think that, the responsibility lies on both sides, the university and the students. So yes, the students are responsible for that.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
How could you spread the word about the importance of audiovisual devices for didactic use?
I think it's not just to spread the word, but to show people that those devices, those resources really help students. It's to make people, make teachers.
Do you think we need academic hours where classes will be audiovisual?
Well, yeah, we can have traditional classes and also audiovisual classes using computers, different devices, internet, everything available.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay.
What use do you consider students and professors could and should give to audiovisual devices within the classrooms?
Well, in case if we had the technology, we could do so many things. We could use it to teach content. We could use it to look for information and just to corroborate anything we might find out in our classes, and just to expand our information in our classes as far as teachers. And as students, of course, it will be really helpful for them because they could expand their knowledge and also especially get real information to be debated in class, or to look later and do their own research and all of that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm so lucky that I'm teaching in the 21st century where I have all these technologies right at my fingertips. It also helps them to interact with the lesson so that they're not just static learners, but that they're involved in their learning process.
What's going to happen? What do you think?
take a prediction, Jillian. They all really want their work to be up there and they want to be able to be seen as teacher.
3 cookies. There's 6 people, you divide them all in half.
Teaching with the document camera has made my job so much easier.
Then the teacher can, instead of just holding it up in the air, she could just write the answers on the board and then it could prove the answer.
I can highlight student work. I can share a book when I only have 1 copy of it.
If you had a textbook, then you had to look down, then write it on the paper, then keep looking back and forth.
We can also take a snapshot of their work and compare it side by side with another student's work to say, how are they the same? How are they different? How can we learn from this?
You just had one simple little sheet and you just fixed mistakes and then you did it as a class.
It's just so much easier to show their work under a document camera than having them recreate it.